Here's a 2017 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene, this C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, external memory control, power tilting steering column, automatic suspension management, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Car and Driver remarks consider the C-Class as all that Mercedes knows about full-size luxury distilled into a smaller package. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Experience the difference at Rochester Mazda, where you get our best price. Bottom line, we are conveniently located at 2955 48th Street Northwest in Rochester, Minnesota.